Hey everyone, and welcome. Want to earn extra cash in your spare time? Legitimate online surveys can actually put real money in your pocket. But beware, not all survey sites are created equal. Many are scams. That's why I'm here to guide you to the top 5 reliable platforms. We'll be exploring proven sites where you can honestly earn rewards for sharing your opinions. Get ready to discover how to turn your downtime into a little extra income, safely and securely. We'll cover everything from sign-up processes to payment methods, helping you choose the perfect platform for your needs. Let's dive into Swagbucks, a true powerhouse in the rewards world. It's not just about surveys. Swagbucks offers a diverse range of earning opportunities. Watch videos, shop online through their portal, play games, all while accumulating points redeemable for cash or gift cards. Many users report earning significant amounts, with some earning hundreds of dollars monthly. Swagbucks boasts various payout methods, including PayPal and gift cards to popular retailers, giving you flexibility in how you receive your rewards. It's a versatile platform that caters to various preferences, maximizing your earning potential. Next up is Survey Junkie, known for its focus on higher-paying surveys. You'll find a user-friendly interface, making navigation a breeze. Finding and completing surveys is straightforward and intuitive. The platform clearly displays the points or cash value of each survey beforehand, so you know exactly what you're earning. Survey Junkie offers a relatively low payout threshold, meaning you won't have to wait long to cash out. Payment methods include direct deposit and gift cards, providing options to suit your preference. Maximize your earnings by actively checking for new high-paying surveys regularly. InboxDollars stands out by offering a diverse range of earning activities beyond surveys. Watch videos, play games, and even read emails, all contribute to your earnings. This variety keeps things interesting and allows you to choose tasks that suit your preferences. Earning potential varies depending on the activity, with surveys generally offering the highest payout. The platform uses a points system, easily convertible to cash via PayPal or gift cards. InboxDollars provides a flexible and engaging way to earn extra cash, making it a popular choice for those seeking variety in their online earning endeavors. Now, for something a bit different, the Nielsen computer and mobile panel. This offers a unique passive income opportunity. Simply install their software on your devices, and you'll earn money just by using them as you normally would. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach to earning extra cash. While the earnings might not be as high as other methods, the passive nature is a huge advantage. Nielsen typically pays out via checks or gift cards, and the exact amount earned varies depending on your participation and data collected. It's a great option for those seeking effortless, supplemental income. So which platform is right for you? Swagbucks offers incredible versatility. Survey Junkie prioritizes high payouts. InboxDollars provides diverse earning options, and Nielsen offers passive income. Each platform has its strengths and weaknesses. To maximize earnings, be consistent, complete surveys efficiently, and carefully select tasks based on your time and preferences. Don't limit yourself to one platform. Explore them all. Ready to boost your income? Click the links in the description to sign up for these legitimate survey sites and start earning today. Remember to always be cautious and only use trusted platforms.